SUV equipped with lots of great features. From a backup camera to fog lights, Bluetooth and more. Accident-free and all-wheel drive, this GMC Terrain is a must-see. Come see us at Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo for all your vehicle needs. Top Safety Pick Plus with optional front crash prevention. This GMC Terrain boasts a gas 4-cylinder 2.4 liters/146 engine powering this automatic transmission. Cruise control, transmission, 6-speed electronic automatic, flat TOWABLE, STD, Summit White. This GMC Terrain comes equipped with these options: jet black/light titanium, cloth seat trim, engine, 2.4 liters IIHS, i4 VVT direct injection, DI, STD, engine block heater incorporated, thermostatically controlled cord set, 3SA preferred equipment group incorporated, STD equipment, windshield wipers and washers, rear intermittent, windshield wipers and washers, front windshield, 3-speed with variable delay incorporated, mist and wash, wheels, 17x7 aluminum, USB port and center console incorporated, full iPod display and color screen, trailer towing, capacity 1,500 pounds/680 kilograms, traction control. This GMC Terrain is a superstar. It's Top Safety Pick Plus with optional front crash prevention, KBB.com Brand Image Awards. The experts' verdict. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the 2014 GMC Terrain is designed to be the perfect combination of luxury and utility, and it all starts with distinct, bold design features and striking grille. Every Terrain model has standard aluminum wheels to reduce weight and enhance fuel economy. The Terrain's available programmable power liftgate opens to your desired height with the push of a button. Projector beam headlights and fog lamps keep visibility high regardless of weather conditions. The Terrain has a refined interior which features a color touch radio and an acoustic design meant to minimize outside noise. As a crossover, the Terrain has the comfort and utility of a small SUV. A 60/40 split and folding second row maximizes space, and there is up to 39.9 inches of rear legroom. The steering wheel features conveniently mounted steering wheel controls. The available 8-way power driver seat and remote-activated heated front seats promise a comfortable ride regardless of trip length. At the heart of Terrain's performance and power is the 2.4 liters i4 VVT DI engine, or opt for the available 3.6 liters V6 VVT CD engine. The 6-speed transmission offers a wide ratio spread for power in the low gears and efficiency in the high gears. The standard rear vision camera displays in the center stack touchscreen, and alloys for easy, confident parallel parking. Finally, the 4-wheel independent suspension offers a smooth, steady ride and a precise feel for the road. The Terrain is equipped with 6 airbags, including thorax and side impact. Plus, anti-lock brakes come standard. The available forward collision alert provides an audible and visual signal when a potential collision is detected. The lane departure warning informs a driver when they have wandered from a lane without using a turn signal. Visit us today. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 for a quick visit and a great vehicle.